your transition backpack, if you have a child that's a toddler age, so if they're under 2, you're going to be able to get a shape sorter. And if you want to choose to get a shape sorter for one of your older children, that's okay too. So you're going to want to dump out all the shapes from your shape sorter. You're going to want to label the shapes. So this shape is a triangle. This shape is a star. You're going to want to tell your child to put the shape in. You can say find the star. Have them find the star and tell them to put the shape in. This can also be used to label colors. You can say find the green circle, put in. Find the purple heart, put in. You can also tell them to take the shapes out. So you can have them dump the shapes out and they can restart. So this is great for labeling colors and shapes.